Okay, so anyway, these are the batteries, all right? You get two of these batteries, and if you notice, it's got push written on one side because the way they slide on is with these little connectors on the bottom. But the key thing is when you get this, it's a little bit different than other drones. The charging port for these is right next to these contacts. That's the charging port on each one. All right, so you need to charge these up. They don't really come with a very strong charge on them. And let me set those down for a second. I want to show you, this is very unique. All right, this is your USB, but notice that this USB has a little plastic thing here. And what that does is that's going to give you an indicator light that's red when it's not charged and green when it's charged. But you don't get a block with this. You just get the USB, and this is your male port that you're going to insert in the female over here. So over here, you got to find a block. I've got a block. Let me go ahead and just smush it in. Whoops. So they got them on both sides. So you got to get it in there. Oh, here we go. Notice it's green right now. So it's showing green. But as soon as I insert this into one of these batteries, it should turn red. And where you put it is right here, this little hole here. So this is where it goes. Right there. Now watch. Red. All right, now we just got to set that there and let it charge up. And then when it's charged up, this is going to turn green. So we'll come back in an hour or two. All right, so anyway, it's been an hour or so. I'll come back and check it out. Look what we got here. We got a green light. So this one is charged. So I'm just going to unhook it right here. And I'm going to charge this other one because before we go out and start playing with this thing, we want to have both of our batteries charged so that we know that we can use them. You can see this one's red still. So we got to wait for that one to charge up.